welcome back to the Learning Lab. Hey, boys and girls, I'm Miss Bingham. Miss Blair is in the Learning Lab cooking up something fabulous. Today, we're gonna learn letter names and letter sounds. Did you know that you need to learn those letters and sounds in order to be a better reader and a better writer? Follow me to the Learning Lab. Hello, boys and girls. We're in the Learning Lab. We're going to do daily phonics practice. We're going to get down with the letter names and sounds. I need your listening ears, your looking eyes, and your learning heart. And we'll be ready to start. Repeat after me. When I say it, repeat after me. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, P, Q, Qua, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Great job, boys and girls. Fantastic! We really got down with the letters and sounds. Make sure you practice every day to increase your fluency. See you soon!